So you can also produce oscillation by using one phase lead network, one phase lag network, using one RC and one CR network. Even this can also act like a feedback component outside your amplifier. So these are all possible combinations how you generate oscillations using a RC phase shift oscillator. So same way apply the KVL equations, and here you see the frequency of oscillation is going to be 1 by 2 pi RC, and the gain will be exactly equal to 3. So if you are going to use one RC and one CR combination, the gain will be should be more than 3. Minimum value of gain should be 3. Maximum value of gain can be more than 3. And the frequency of oscillation is very simple. It is 1 by 2 pi root of 1 by 2 pi into RC. See, remember, only when LC comes, you will have 1 by 2 pi square root of LC. But when RC comes, it is without square root. F not equal to 1 by 2 pi RC. That's all.